That's called a repeated offender, but.
Exactly, and that's, listen, so Mr.
That's
Campbell,
15,
wow.
I think.
Do you want to come sit up here and be the judge? You're so smart.
I don't know, if you needed some help, ma'am, I wouldn't mind.
I feel like I might because I'm not understanding. Mr. Campbell, you're getting a deal to go on count one only, which makes you a repeat. I get that you've been through this before and you understand what's going on, but you're making this more difficult. If you go to trial, you could be habitual. Today, if we take this great plea agreement, it's repeat. I understand that. I've been doing this for 30 years. Okay? So, did you enter your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily?
Guilty.
Did anybody force you to plead guilty today?
No.
Okay, so I have well, let's go to the next case then. In cause number, and here's that indictment. In cause number 22-39050, you're charged with and in this case, we're just going on count one.
Count one only.
So in this case, we're going on count one only. So it's just the offense of tampering with physical evidence, a second-degree felony from November 28th of 2020. And how do you plead to that charge? Guilty or not guilty?
Pleading no contest, but guilty now.
So are you pleading guilty to this charge?
Yeah.
Okay. And did anybody force you to plead guilty in cause number 22-39050?
We just answered it.
I know I have to ask you in each case. It's required by law. It's required by law that I ask you that in every case.
Just pleading guilty.
Okay. And nobody forced you to do that, right? Speak up so the record can take it
No,
down.
I think you did. You did, but let's go. So no.
Okay. So I have in both of those cases here on the tablet, some documents that have your signature on them that the state's marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed those, did you go over them with Mr. Parker? The documents on the tablet, y'all have that? And do you understand if I follow the agreements that you've made with the district attorney that you'll be waiving or giving any right to appeal? Yes or no, please? Do you understand that?
Understand what we signed, the documents.
Okay, you have to answer out loud, yes or no, so that the record's clear that you understand, that I know you understand what you signed, okay? I'm not trying to, doesn't have to be that difficult. Just get in, get your deal, and get out. You're making this way more difficult than it has to be. Do you also understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest could result in your deportation? If you're not a U.S. citizen, could result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law.
So what this is,
I'm required to ask everyone that. Are you a U.S. citizen?
yeah,
Okay. State tenders number 1 in each case.
Objection.
It's admitted in each case. Is there any evidence that Mr. Campbell is not competent?
The negative.